You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On road for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The First Order will never know we are there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Right this way, flight crew. Pilots in the front, gunners in the middle, engineers in the back. Any large cargo
For
goes
your
on the floor by
safety,
your
remain
feet.
seated
Once
and
you are
supervise
seated,
younglings.
please buckle those
Por
seatbelts.
favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Everybody have a seat. Please buckle those seatbelts. Perfect. Pilots, go ahead. Once you are done, please pull up on that yellow sticky strap. Perfect. Pull up and then press your flashing indicators. You're going to push forward to go down and pull back to fly up. Gunners, pull up. Press your flashing indicators. Pull up. Press your flashing indicators. Get that coaxium. Push the button.
Where's that button, Papa? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Good job. Take it.
Flight engineer, repair deck. Hit your flashing button. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Take it. Press the button.
Left pilot, in the distance. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Oh, nice.
There's the train. Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Great, gunners, shoot the train. And engineers, keep reeling. Close. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Good night. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with us, a Rican Thai family. Oh yeah, Rican Thai.